This video is going to show us exactly how to do the examples that were given. So if you may have missed the examples, here's your opportunity to really get a firm grasp on these. So the first one, our radius is 8 centimeters. So we plug that in to our equation. So first step, always write the equation. Second step, plug it in. Once we have the numbers plugged in, we can start solving it, computing the answer. 8 to the third is 512. Everything else will stay the same in your formula. Combining your like terms, so multiplying 4 over 3 times 512, you get 682 and 2/3 pi centimeters squared. And plugging 3.1 in for pi, you get 2,143.6 centimeters squared. Moving on to the next example. The first thing I would do if I saw it given as a diameter, I would just write R equals, and we do 17 divided by 2, we get 8.5. Because radius is what we're going to mainly work with in these formulas. So just go ahead and write it down and get it out of the way. And you don't even have to think about this picture any longer. Our first step, write down our equation again. Our second step, always plug it in. So our radius is 8.5 cubed. Everything else stays the same. We simplify down 8.5 to the third, and instead we have 614.125. Notice I didn't round this off yet. At the final answer, that's when we're going to round to the nearest tenth, but not quite yet. Okay, so we always want to keep that as accurate as we can. When we multiply 4/3 times 614.125, we get 818 and 5/6 pi yards to the third. And I just now realized that on the previous problem, this should be centimeters to the third. Okay. Multiplying this out, subbing in 3.14 for pi, and rounding to the nearest tenth, we get 2,571.1 yards cubed.